ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್? ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ಪಾಠ 16, ಪಾಠ 16, ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್, ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, pencil, eraser, wear your phone and sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the poem. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರುವವರು ಪುರಂದರ ದಾಸರು. Okay, so this will come in a Dasa Sahitya. Dasa Sahitya, again, just like a Vachana, if you have already done the Vachana is also done for the social reforming thing. Adhe tara, Dasaru, it's much more older than a Vachana, which is also for the social reforming, to make the people good and it wanted basically the people to think the good thing, do good thing. So adu Dasa Sahitya, adu Purandara Dasaru. The major one is Purandara Dasaru matte Kanaka Dasaru. So this literature is called a Dasa Sahitya in Kannada. So we'll start with the poem. Illi they are talking about the nalige. Nalige andre tongue. Acharavillada nalige. The tongue doesn't have a good behavior. Why the tongue which doesn't have a good behavior? That is the title here. Yake? Because this is the one which talk the bad thing about the people, which criticize the people, which mock at the people, which we talk behind the people. We tell good things. We tell them, oh yeah, hi, how are you? I missed you so much. Antala helತೀವಿ. But when they go back, we start taunting. We start talking bad about them. Is that good? Illa. Always we should have a good behavior. We should be humble inside and out. We should be the same thing. If you don't like the person, don't like the person. If you like the person, then like it heartfully. Do not ever never fake or do a kind of a fake acting ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. If you think there is something bad with your friends, just tell them, please, hey, please do correct this. I don't think this is right thing that you are doing. You have to tell in a humble way, in a good way. Okay, so never ever ಏನಂತಾರೆ fake friendship, fake the love, fake the caring. Never ever do bad to the people. Never ever talk bad thing to the people. Be always humble. It's very very important. That is what this poem will talk to us. We'll start with the poem ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆಡಂಬರ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, the luxury life that we want to lead, okay, and the fake thing that we do always, and internally we think something, but outside we are not the same thing. We might be very ಏನಂತಾರೆ, we don't like the person, but still I want to fake with the person. So ಈ ಥರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. We have to leave it. How we should be. So that is what the poem talks, and we'll come to the poem. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ, the tongue which doesn't have a good behavior. He is talking to the tongue. ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. Please leave the cruel minded, the cruel mind thoughts, your activity, the cruel mind activity. Please leave that. And the poet is saying here, ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಲಜ್ಜೆಯ ನೀ ಮುನ್ನ ಅರಿಯದೆ ಚಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಬಿಹೇವ್. ನಿನಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಶೈನೆಸ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are just spreaded your tongue and everywhere, and you are just talking rubbish about everything. So don't do this. Please stop this. Anta the poet is saying here. ಇದ್ದ ಮಾತನಾಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ಹಿಡಿ ದೊಡ್ಡರು ಹುಸಿ ಬೇಡ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡು. Talk whatever it is. Whatever you see, talk like that. And talk always truth. ಸತ್ಯ. ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ the ಸತ್ಯ. Always tell truth. ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ ಲೈಸ್. ಹುಸಿಯನಾಡಬೇಡ. ಹುಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಸ್. ನೆವರ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆವರ್ ಲೈ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಉಣ್ಣು ಅಮೃತಾನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿರು ಕಂಡ್ಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಉಣ್ಣು ಅಮೃತಾನ್ನಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಉಣ್ಣು ಅಂದರೆ ಈಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡೂ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Always talk good, speak good, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿ, learn a good things, have a good behavior ಅಂತ the poet is saying in the first stanza. There is a tune for this. I am really bad in the tune. Please do check in the YouTube for this song, and this is how mostly it will sound. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. This is how it will go, and I'm really bad in this song. I can't sing this one. If you are good at singing, please do follow and please do sing it. Next one. ಬಡವರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನೀ ಕಡು ಚತುರ ನುಡಿಯದಿರು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. Okay, so when the poor people talk something about it, okay, when they're actually they're telling their grief, when they're telling their sorrow thing, you don't act over smart. Okay, ಅತಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಡ. ಕಡು ಚತುರ is ಅತಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ. ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ acting, because when you act over smart, because the most important thing is, children, when your friend especially, we will take an example, when your friend is telling that he is sad and he's sad about something, the most important thing that you have to do is listen. Do not act anything, do not say anything to them, just listen to them. When you listen, they will feel comfortable, because the thing is they want to feel comfortable. When they put out their emotions, they feel comfortable. So that is what the same thing the poet wants to convey here. When the poor person he's talking something about, don't be over smart, don't just give him suggestions or advice, listen to him, don't talk, don't be over smart in that anta the poet is saying here. ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ವರು ಯಮನ ಭಟರು ನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿ ಕಂಡ್ಯ ಹರಿ ಎಂದು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. Okay, if you keep doing like this bad things, ಯಮದೂತರು, ಯಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the god of a death, okay, ಅವನ ದೂತರು, the people of ಯಮ ಲೋಕ, they'll come and they'll take you. ಅಂದ್ರೆ if you do the bad things, you will go to the hell. That's what they say. If you do the bad things, you will go to the hell. So always make sure that you chant mantra of a god, you remember the god. Hari ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು, he is the one who worship a Vishnu. So he is telling, always praise the god, always do the good things anta the poet is saying here in the second stanza. I'm really sorry, children, for the background dog barking. ಹರಿಪಾದವೇ ಗತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಪರರ ಚಿಂತೆ ಏಕೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. Always keep in a devotion of a god. Basically the poet wants is, always do the good things, always think about the good things and do the good things. Why you want to talk about the others? ಪರರ ಚಿಂತೆ. Why you are worried about the others? Why you are talking about the others? Why you are complaining about the others? Why you want that? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? What is the use of that one? What you will gain from that one, children? Right? ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So what is the use of mocking at someone and gossiping about someone? There is nothing use about it. ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Do good thing. See, always you have to think about something big. Not to just do a gossip about your friends or anyone or any about teacher or anything. ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. There is nothing use that is going to happen. Are we going to get a first rank if we do that one? Are you going to gain knowledge? Are you going to gain marks out of that one? ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then what is the use of doing that one? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is just a mere, our mind, it will get satisfied. If we want to talk about, hey, look at him now, how he's dressing, how he's walking, it looks so funny, No. What is the use of it? No, ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. If you still think that person is not dressing in a good way, you can just tell him, hey, you can try this one, that looks good on you. Instead, you can just help them, instead of doing a gossiping or a mocking at someone or teasing or ragging. Never ever do this, children. It's not at all good for you. It never do a good for you. There will be some other person who will be mocking at you the same way. So never ever do these things. And also teach this for your friends also. Okay, na? Okay. ಸಿರಿವರ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ರಾಯನು, the ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ of Purandara Dasaru is a Purandara Vithala. The pen name is a Purandara Vithala. Underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is very important. ಮರೆಯದ ನೆನೆ ಕಂಡೆಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. So always make sure that you will remembering the Purandara Vithala. You will remember him. You will think about him. Think about the good things. ಅಂತ the poet is saying. So ಮರೆಯದೆ, without forgetting him, worship the God ಅಂತ the poet is saying here in the third stanza. I'll repeat the complete poem once. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಲಜ್ಜೆಯ ನೀ ಮುನ್ನ ಅರಿಯದೆ, ವಿದೌಟ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಚಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದ್ದ ಮಾತನಾಡು ನಾಲಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದೊದ್ದರೂ ಹುಸಿಬೇಡ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಹಿಡಿದೊದ್ದರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ದೆ ಬೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆವರ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಅ ಲೈಸ್. ಯಾರೇ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಫ್ ದೆ ಬೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆವರ್ ಲೈ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ. ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಉಣ್ಣು ಅಮೃತಾನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿರು ಕಂಡ್ಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಗುಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ಸ್. ಬಡವರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಾಲಗೆ, ನೀ ಕಡು ಚತುರ ನುಡಿಯದಿರು ನಾಲಗೆ. ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ವರು ಯಮನ ಭಟರು ನಿನ್ನ, ನುಡಿ ಕಂಡ್ಯ ಹರಿ ಎಂದು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಹರಿಪಾದವೇ ಗತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾಲಗೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಪರರ ಚಿಂತೆ ಏಕೆ ನಾಲಗೆ. ಸಿರಿವರ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ರಾಯನನು, ಮರೆಯದೆ ನೆನೆ ಕಂಡ್ಯ ನಾಲಗೆ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪದ್ಯ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ detailed version also, but I have explained in a very basic detailed version. If your teacher in the school are explaining with the detailed version, please listen to it, and if you have any doubt, teacher na keli. This is a very basic detailed version. Okay, poem can be explained in n number of ways. So this is how this is what the ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಪದ್ಯ, ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಡೂ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ 9th standard ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.